Hi everyone, my name is Steph from Steph Lab Tech, and I just want to say thanks for Maono to send me this professional large diaphragm microphone set, and the model is PM500 series. Okay, let's look at the box. Like usual, in front Maono, on the back the spec. On the back they show you some spec again, what exactly these doing. And now let's do the unbox. Like usual, the user manual in all language. Let's look at the microphone. It's heavy. You can see the size of the diaphragm, 34 millimeter, and this guy is built like a tank. It's all metal. This is the pop filter, metal again. This is the chipmunk. Let's look in the bottom of the box. We have here the metal stand for the microphone, the table stand if you want, and the cable, the XLR cable. And this is, you can see, is really nice built. Let's put it all together and let's try it. I'll put it all together. It's not gonna be long. Give me a few seconds. Let's put the microphone. Et voila. I'm going to put it the way I like it, like that. Oh, et voila. Let's put the pop filter in front. It's easy. Click, and let's install the cable now. Okay, what exactly I did, I installed this microphone XLR on this USB interface, and the model is USB Mix 4, and this is plugged on my computer. The gain of the microphone is all the way up, the level of my microphone is on half, and the equalizer, everything is at 0. So the voice you heard, it's flat. That's what you heard, and that's what you have. This microphone is cardioid. So what exactly it mean? Sorry for my English. So what exactly it mean? You need to speak in front what is Romano, because if you try to speak in the back, forget it. You can still hear my voice, but it's not working. So you really need to speak in front where is Romano. This microphone is working with a power 48 volt Phantom. Okay, so now let's try the Peter Pizza Pan Pizza Peter. I'm still at 8" in front of the microphone. Pop, pop, pop. You can see the metal pop filter is working perfectly. And that's going to be the test of this microphone XLR Professional PM500 series. If you have a budget and you would like the best quality, less than 150 Canadian, this microphone is for you. I strongly recommended this item. I forget to mention, what I did, I installed on the stand, but you can always install it on the arm, flexi arm. So like that you can adjust the way you like it. But me, for now, for the video, what I did, and leave it like that on the stand. The weight of the microphone is 360 gram. I hope you like this video about this microphone XLR Professional Model PM500 series. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And please, if you want, you can always leave a comment down there. That's going to be really appreciated. And see you in the next one.